Well, I've got a few welders around the shop, but one of the best ones is Cody. So he's gonna weld this up while I go back and help Brock.
We're at Foose Design. I'm a fabricator, mechanic, builder, kind of whatever we need help with around the shop, but yeah, mostly welder, fabricator. My first love with cars is off-road stuff. It's funny actually, Chip's been kind of messing around with these Manxes for a little bit. So those are kind of neat, but I like big off-road cars and stuff. Who knows if anything with that would come in here, but that might be kind of rad if we do a Foose Design off-road car. So we'll see. Yeah. Actually, first impression of Chip, I was doing rallycross and they were filming overhauling, like at the shop next door to us. And we were working late one night, and so we walked over there, and Chip and a bunch of guys were over there thrashing. So we were like, oh, we do rallycross right next door. You guys need help. And so me and a couple guys helped them knock out some cars for overhauling, like after hours when we were doing rallycross stuff. So that was the first time I met Chip. And it was cool because I remember watching overhauling growing up. Me and my pops used to watch it. So it's pretty tight. So that was the first time I met Chip. Was they were filming overhauling, and he's like, "Well, if you guys know what you're doing, get on it." So we helped him out. I've been here, let's see, on and off, I guess, for like 5 years. Worked here for a couple years, went and did a couple other things, some racing, built some cars, my own shop, and then back here for some SEMA thrash stuff, and then been back here again for about 8 months, full time now. It's fun. I mean, overall, I like it. I'm here. I have a good time. It's an interesting challenge sometimes because he'll draw something, and he'll just give you a picture and say, make it, So it's kind of cool. And then he'll give you something on the same note, make this, and by the way, I don't want to see any hardware and I don't want to know how it goes together, So you got to try to figure out how to make this part fit with another part and not make it look like it comes apart. So it's, yeah, so you get some interesting challenges working with him.